Hey everyone, as I promised, I'm gonna be doing Cheerbo giveaway. So for this giveaway, we will have two winner. I don't know how many Cheerbos are here. There should be at least 20. I will have to count that later and update you guys. Anyways, so these Cheerbos are, they come in various sizes, textures, designs, as you can see here in the video. So the cutoff date for this giveaway is September 14th at 6 p.m. That way I have time to announce the winner by Sunday. Please make sure you have a valid address, that way there's no issues when it comes to shipping it to you. Also, if you live in the United States, shipping is free. However, if you live outside the US, if you're willing to pay for the shipping, please feel free to join this giveaway. As of right now, I'm not offering free shipping for international address. I'm so sorry. Hopefully in the near future that will be available to everybody. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is hit subscribe if you haven't already. Click, share, and like this video. And comment down below either your favorite food, your favorite color, or your favorite animal or pet. So any of those categories, just comment it down below and I will select the winner from there. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this. I know it's perfect because school just started. This hairbows would look so cute. But yeah, all these hairbows, by the way, are brand new. I used to sell hairbows. I used to sell hair accessories. That's why I have all these stuff. Yeah, so good luck to everybody, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.